Hey everyone, welcome back. If bunq login is not working, here's exactly what to do. First, open the bunq app and carefully re-enter your email address or your password and make sure there are no typing mistakes or extra spaces or wrong capitalization. If you've forgotten your password, tap the forgot password option and reset it using the email instructions. If you use Face ID or fingerprint and it's not working, try logging in manually with your password instead. You can re-enable biometric login later inside the settings. Then make sure your internet connection is stable. Login failures often happen due to weak signals, so if your account is temporarily locked due to multiple failed attempts, wait before trying again. Finally, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, go to search for bunq app and update to the latest version and restart your device before trying again. That's how to fix the bunq app login not working. Subscribe for more quick fixes.